Hi, my name is Olaf Wilmsmeyer and I'd like to talk to you today about UHF RFID for tracking and tracing in data centers. And yes, I'm here again with my favorite antenna, the log field antenna, in a 2-meter version, so a longer version than used in the last few videos. And because within a data center, it is pretty noisy. I'm not in a data center today to explain you all the details. The log field antenna you could use directly within the rack or within the cabinets to design a reading zone to track and trace the blades, the hard disk, everything what you install in such a rack. Of course, you need to equip the different components with UHF RFID transponders. The antenna could be installed, for instance, directly in a door, as shown here on the picture. So here is a metallic mesh door, and the antenna is installed with some small plastic stencils to get a little bit of distance between the antenna and the metallic door. With such an application or with such an installation, you could easily identify everything what is inside the cabinet as soon as the door is closed, so that you could get an online inventory. Of course, because every component now has a unique identifier, you could use the UHF RFID technology as well for other purposes like tracking and tracing, so you could design your own gates when moving, carrying the blades, for instance, through your data center. I've shown you before how to use the log field antenna and the easy log field bumper, for instance, to design your local gate zones. And of course, you could use the RFID as well to improve your documentation, for instance, in the repair and overhaul processes. Yeah, this is a little bit the story. So again, log field antenna to get an online inventory of a cabinet or everything what is inside the rack. Do you see similar applications, maybe even outside of data centers? Feel free to share all your ideas on social media, here on YouTube, or send me an email.